country, and then we moved into building zero-till seeders, and then we moved on to our last project, which is now the carbon farming, where we put the emissions on the emissions condensers on the tractors, and now in this case we're now putting them on centre pivot irrigators. So we're in the process now of standing up this centre pivot, and that's going to be hopefully operational in a month's time. And we've got the bioactive kit arrived yesterday that we're going to put on the pump, and we're going to capture all the emissions off the pump motor and put it up water pipe and irrigate it over all this land here growing seed maize.
Hello, my name's Gary Tomlins, and I've been involved in farming all my life. I started farming as a strawberry farmer in Kent, and then have grown melons, raspberries in southern Europe, export horticulture in Kenya, and also organic farming in France. Finally, I'm here. I've been here for 4 or 5 years in Tanzania. We found some great land, and we are producing, as you can see, chilies. These chilies are grown by myself and Mick Dennis, and they are exported to Europe. We will take you through the process. The point of the introduction and the point of a background about myself is how that fits within the carbon farmer, how that fits within the activity that we're trying to promote. And I think the bottom line is that we're farmers, that we are looking at technology and we are seeing that it works, and it's technology which is working for us. And this is why we are confident that we can now push it out to smaller farmers. The idea, I met Mick probably 4 or 5 years ago with his carbon techniques, which he'd bought at his own expense here to Tanzania and was using on some of the big grain farms he was involved with. So then I tried it with horticulture. And just my first introduction was to try it on courgettes, and I've never seen courgettes grow so beautifully and so big. And the addition of injecting a small amount of the emissions from the exhaust stimulated them and just gave them the level of fertility they needed. Courgettes are difficult. Sometimes you put too much fertilizer and they die because it's too salty, or you don't put enough and they don't grow at all. So, like many people across the world, they only are talking about carbon farmer techniques, diesel emission injection techniques, because they've seen it and it works. We're not promoting anything that we don't know and we haven't used.